So good morning everyone. Karon ako i-share ang knowledge on the learning this mount topic kag feeling which is ratio and proportion. So first is what is ratio? So ang ratio di ay kay mo ni siya it is a comparison of two numbers that indicates their sizes in relation to each other. For example, kanang sa ka cake mabuatan sa cake pag nakaido ka kilogram flour 2:1. So, ka kilogram flour is what yun. So makita ka tali sa ratio mo ni siya kanang nai tulo ka apple napod siya udon ka manggan. So tulo ka apple over 6 mo ni siya gitawag na ratio 3/6 or 3/6. So magkuha pa siya to kung diri apod 1 isa ka apple kung kanila pa awon isa ka apple yung ka mangga. So equals 1/2 kaning 3:6 equals 1:2 wala siya ginatawag o proportion. Kibali pareha sila same sila kuan. So wala yung ginatawag na proportion. It is a definition in which two ratios are equal to each other. So kumbaga ang isa ka ratio kay 3/6 equal siya sa 1/2. So ang ratio ang proportion na sa duga kuan daw ka part ang sulod kung ano ginatawag mix ang gawas strains. So dito sa problem solving using proportions. So napaigihap na prepare an example. Gabriel earned 150 pesos for working 5 hours. If he works 15 hours, how much would he earn? So atong muna nga po ato is what ato ang mga given. So 150 pesos, baka earn siya in 5 hours last equals to pagkita una ang this wabay amount so S so equals 15. So atong mga karon ato siyang i-cross multiplication. So mo ni pagkita so 5 times x ay x times 5 dire equals 150 times 15. So 150 times 15 equals 2,250. Then bring down ang x times 5 para makuha na to mabili ng x nang gawin ang property of equality. So over 5 mag-divide po tag 5 dire, cancel ang 5, mabili ng x. So 2,250 divided by 5 equals 450. So atong i-check kung sakto ba sa proportion. So 150 ato i-cover ka po ng 50 divided by 5 equals ang x is equivalent to 450. So divide 50. So 150 divided by 5, 30. 450 divided by 15, 30. So proportion sila. So more of that and thank you.
Good morning everyone. Ako topic na napili is interest. So, ako i-share akong knowledge na nakuha sa interest na topic. So, what is interest? Is an amount paid for the use of borrowed money. So, nasa ito ang classification in interest, simple interest and compound interest. So, nasa formulas nga gamiton sa interest. Kuan, ang I is interest in equivalent to percentage. Ang P is principal is equivalent to the base. R is rate of interest and equivalent to rate. So, ang example na ni, Mr. Lazaro borrowed 8,000 pesos at 20% for 2 years. How much interest did he pay? So, natay formula, di ba? Ang atong formula is katong I is interest, P is principal, ang R is rate, tas kanina is time siya. So, ang unang natong buhaton is given. Ang given niya is ang 8,000 mo ng principal. Una ang, di ba, ang rate na is 50%. So, ato siyang times 100. Mo na makuha niya ang 0.20 rate na siya. Ang time niya is 2. So, ato sa times 8,000 times 0.20 times 2. Ang iyang makuha is 3,200 per year yung mabayaran sa 8,000. Per 2 years nga ayang mabayad sa puan sa tuno interest sa 8,000 nga kwarta yung i-borrow. Warato, thank you.
Good morning, class. What din ang topic din solving equation. So, what is equation? An equation is a statement that two quantities are equal. So, nako example din, no? 5 minus 2. 5 is to equals 3. So, there are equals. So, there are two types of equation. Una is left member and right member. So, there are prevalence of solving for unknown quantity usually represented as x. So kuan tanang x atong bisa na how ba tao na to. So patay kuan na no question. What number from which is it is subtracted will give 9. So mo na diri no kay wala man ta kabalo diri sa kuan sa value ning kuan. So mo nang x tayo butang na. So x minus 8 equals to 9. So kuan man na unta kabalo mo to i-copy na to ning kuan diri x. So x minus 8 plus 8 is kuan na siya na radial in probable quality. So mo to ay ana na to dra. So equals 9 plus 8 equals kuan 17. So ano siya kung atong i-check 17 minus 8 equals 9 is kuan na 9. This is equal na 9 equals 2. Thank you. Marata.
So, akong i-share akong kanang nahibalaan about sa mutual funds is an investment trust company. Those assets are based purely on stock and bonds. Then, iyang formula is NEV equals assets minus liability over outstanding shares. So, kanang gi-prepare na kuan kanang example. An investment trust company has 500 million worth of stocks. Then, napoy 25 million worth of bonds and 10 million in cash. The bonds total liability amount of 5 million. If there are 8 million outstanding shares, calculate the net assets value of the funds. Then, muna na siya ang solutions. Then, kuan ka ng ato ang plus ang 500 million o ang 25 million o ang 10 million. So, muna siya ang nagawas. Then, i-copy nato na siya. Then, minusan sa 5 million. Then, divided by sa 8 million, muna siya ang kuan kanang mo result.
Million is not pesos.
Million ba?
Million na siya.
Oh, million na siya. Maurot sa
So, good afternoon everyone. Morning ngayon topic is all about commission, parting of process and interest. So, commission is a payment for any services in different forms. Forms about salary, wages, or same message. So, commission is a certain percent or rate among all sales. So, it's my example about commission is and then this will receive a commission 15% for every copy is a million papers that he sells. How much that he received if he sells 60 copies at 5 pesos each. So the money sila ang given amount of sales, so 5 pesos. Tapos katong iyang ibaligya nga 60 copies. So ato na sang i-times, so 200 nga atong unsa na to pagkuha sa commission. So ang gini manay 15% times katong iyang na kuan nga kwarta. Pero kanaya this is like kuan yung mo na sang ito this into decimal karon ma times is 300. Then ang answer mo na siya. So man niyang commission nga yung napasa sa News Boys. So ano doon, dagang salamat sa amin. Passing going great, 37 days.